Hey y'all, it's me. Thank you so much for tuning back into Lemomlife. So today I thought I'd do a fold with me. So I'm folding my laundry and I'm just gonna chit chat with you guys for a little bit. I think I want to talk about just the direction of my channel, get some feedback from you guys as far as what you want to see, what you have enjoyed, and what you think I could do less of on this channel. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm in my laundry room and I have a dryer full of clothes to fold. So I'm just gonna be folding while I talk to you guys. I saw this video on another one of the channels I'm subscribed to, and I thought it was really clever of her to pop out a video and get some stuff done at the same time. And I was like, you know what, that sounds like fun. I think I'm gonna try that. So let's see how this goes. I started this channel originally to document what was going on in my motherhood journey. That was the real reason I started Lemomlife. And then I started the website and I decided that Lemomlife should be a network for mommies and should be a resource for moms new and old. That's kind of where it went after the YouTube channel. So the YouTube channel is basically my way of staying connected to those of you who follow Lemomlife. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel. Also to lemomlife.com, you can sign up to get notified of any updates and things like that. I try not to spam people. So if I have something major that I've posted or something major going on, that's when you'll get, an email from me. Other than that, I'm not like sending you emails every week. I don't even have the time to do that. And also you can follow me on IG because I'm on Instagram and I post there frequently as well. So on a week-to-week basis, the way that I create my content is I create it based on my experiences. And then if I've read up on something or if something is a trending topic, I will make a video for it. As of late though, I've been really occupied with my kids, to be honest with you. They are in this really different stage now where they're throwing tantrums and, they're not listening. And even if I plan something for the day, a lot of times when I plan it, it won't go as planned because it takes so long to do everything we need to do because I have to keep stopping and correcting their behavior. And so that takes up a lot of the day now. Between that and being a student, which my classes are starting back up, obviously being a wife, which is the most important thing in this household, is that I'm a wife first. Between all that, it's just been kind of difficult to create content. So what I'm asking you all to help me with is, what do you want to see on this channel? Like, be specific about it. I've gotten some requests from some subscribers that are really, really just tuned in and invested. So if you really enjoy this channel and you want me to keep making videos, then I am asking for you to give me a list, like legit a list of what you want to see on this channel, because that's gonna help me then be more purposeful. And because I don't have the time to kind of have my hand on the pulse and know like what moms want to see and figure things out, I need you guys' help. And so whatever you want me to film, I'll just film that. And you guys will get what you want. This channel will have content on it on a weekly basis. And I think everyone should be happy. We should all be good. We should all be happy. So you guys let me know. My kids are in the living room. So I'm gonna have to check on them every now and again. All right, sorry guys. My daughter was spilling some juice, so I had to go stop her. And then Elin was just, getting loud because he hears me doing something in here. That is what I need you guys' help with. I need content ideas. So what do you want to see? What are some things you've seen on my channel that you enjoy seeing and you think you want to see more of? That would be awesome if you could think on that and let me know. And what are some things that you see like other channels doing that you enjoy watching? So basically, I need you guys' help with being my eyes and ears in terms of what content is interesting and what you want to see. that would help a lot. And thank you so much in advance for that help. That would help a lot. Well, I'm back literally almost a half hour later. I had to stop and go tend to the kids real quick. So I'm back now. You guys let me know what you want to see and I will use your requests as lists. And some of the things, you know, I may not be able to film. There are things that I've wanted to film that I just have not been able to film. For example, I've been wanting to film like all day clean with me's, and what else? I wanted to film like clean my bedroom with me and all that stuff, but those are so time consuming. And whenever I've tried to film those things in the past, they haven't got that many views. So for me to put that much work into setting up the tripod at every station and filming and cleaning and, you know, tending to the kids because they're 2 toddlers, they're not self-sufficient yet, it's very difficult. So things like that I'm not sure about. I may film bits and pieces, like some people film 1 room at a time. So I may try that, like clean the bathroom with me and see how that does before I do like, you know, my whole house, and then the video doesn't get that many views. And don't get me wrong, I'm not really like focused on views with regards to this channel because it's very niche. And then also when you're Black on YouTube, and you do these kinds of videos, the audience just doesn't know what to make of you because I'm not doing certain types of videos which get lots of views, you know, clickbait and all that stuff. I'm not extra dramatic, over the top. I'm just me. And I'm trying to do the best I can at being a mom. I'm trying to raise my kids right and do the right things. And a lot of times those videos are viewed as boring because I'm not, you know, your average mom from middle America. I am Black, so it's kind of hard. Like the audience, the people that would view me don't see me that way. Those of you that appreciate my channel, you guys are rare because people just don't know what to make of me as a person, but also as it relates to my channel. I'm too proper for Black audiences, and when white audiences see me, they don't click on the videos because they're not expecting to get what they would get if they clicked on the video, if you know what I mean. And that's not all of you. There are, like I said, you guys are rare. I have white women watching me, Black women watching me, Hispanic, Asian. I have all types of women watching me. So it's kind of one of those things where I just have to do what I feel led to do, what I feel called to do, and then everything else will be added unto me. So God will bring the people to my channel. He will allow me to do and say what he wants me to say, and people will discover me, and I just have to believe that and just keep doing what I love to do because I genuinely love to do this. I've been doing YouTube videos since 2011, so I'd say that I really love it. So that being said, like I said, I know I have a wide array of beautiful women who watch me, mommies to be. However you found me, thank you so much for clicking on my video and deciding to give my channel a chance. And I'm glad you found something interesting and that you decided to stay. And I will be here. I'm not going anywhere. So you guys let me know what you want to see. That is the most important thing to me, is what you guys want to see. I will take the requests and look at what I'm able to do, what's feasible, and put them all in a list. And I will shout you out whenever I do that video. Whoever requested it, I will shout you guys out, okay? And yeah, guys, my kids are getting louder and louder. They're in on the trampoline in their room. There's a spider in here. It was just descending as I was talking to you guys. Very random. Oh, y'all, whatever can be a distraction will be a distraction, but I'm not going to let it be. I'm gonna finish up my laundry because I don't want this to be a super long video. But what I was saying is, you guys are my top priority. So whatever it is that you want to see, let me know and I will work on making those videos. My homeschool videos have not gotten that many views, so I think I'm gonna slow down on those. I'll do the occasional homeschool routine where I kind of go through what we do from beginning to end. periodically, so every time it changes I'll do a new video, but as far as just random little activities here and there, I don't feel like that's the direction my channel needs to go in. Obviously my luxury videos get more views than the rest of my videos because people love luxury, and I will continue to do those videos because they are discovery videos for me, which means that people will discover my channel through these videos. So they're actually good for my channel in terms of growth, because women who love luxury who are also mommies will discover my channel. So I'm gonna keep doing those, but I do need some more suggestions. Thank you for hanging out with me for a little bit, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.